C for cat, soft and small. D for dog, barking loud for all. Let's sing ABC, come along with me. Learn the letters happily. From A to Z, we'll say and play. Learning words the fun-filled way. E for elephant, big and strong. F for frog, hopping all along. G for giraffe, tall and high. H for horse, running by. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for juggler, funny and funny. K for kangaroo, jumping fast. L for lion, roaring at last. M for monkey, swinging free. N for nest up in the tree. O for ox, working all day. P for penguin, whiling away. Q for queen with crown so bright. R for rainbow colors and light. S for star shining in the sky. T for turtle, slow but shy. U for umbrella, keeping us dry. V for violin, music nearby. Y for whale, splashing around. X for xylophone, making sound. Y for yacht, sailing the sea. C for zebra, striped and free.